Good morning, children. In the last video, we had seen different types of teeth and their work. Now we are going to see the structure of a tooth. Tooth is a singular form and teeth is plural. So let's see how each tooth looks like. When you see a tooth, it has two parts, the crown and root. If you have noticed, if you have seen in your mouth in your mirror, then you have seen that pink colored part is there. This part is called gum. This part is called gum and the tooth is attached to the gum. The part which we are able to see outside the gum is called crown and the part which is there inside the gum is called root. Now again, a tooth has three layers. The outermost layer, the hardest one, it is even hard than our bones. That part is called enamel. The second layer is called dentine and the third layer is called pulp. The pulp contains the nerves and blood vessels. The teeth, they get the blood through these blood vessels and they have the sensation through the nerves. So, the pulp part contains the nerves and the blood vessel. Now we will see how a tooth gets decayed. I mean to say that how the tooth gets spoiled. So sometimes when you eat the things, they stick to this part of the tooth. They stick to this part of the tooth and they start forming a cavity. A black colored cavity starts forming here. Then if you don't brush it properly, this cavity slowly and slowly it increases and touches the pulp. When it touches the pulp, when it touches this pulp area, it starts giving you the pain and you have to go to the doctor, and if the tooth has got damaged, it has to be taken out. So children, whenever we eat anything, we should immediately rinse our mouth either with water or with some other medicine. So if you rinse your mouth, then the food particles, they don't stick to the teeth and they don't get the chance to make a cavity. Once if the cavity is there, then slowly and slowly it will increase and it will touch the pulp. And when it touches the pulp, it starts giving you the pain. So it is necessary that we should rinse our mouth. Now comes the care of teeth. How should we take care of our teeth? So let's see the textbook. In the textbook, it is clearly given that brush your teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. Then we should clean both front and back surfaces of teeth properly. We should clean both front and back part of the teeth properly. Then we should brush up and down. We should brush up and down and we should brush inside the mouth where premolars and molars are there. Then we should rinse our mouth after every meal. Whenever you eat anything, that time you should rinse your mouth. Then only your teeth will remain healthy. Above all, you should eat the food items that contain calcium and vitamin C. You should eat the food items that contain calcium and vitamin C. Moreover, you should visit a dentist after every 6 months for a regular checkup. Now children, at times you must have seen that on the teeth there is some yellow type of covering. How this thing happens? This thing happens if you don't brush your teeth regularly and properly. If you don't brush your teeth regularly and properly, a yellow colored sticky substance deposits on your teeth, and this is called as plaque. This plaque causes foul smell. What do you mean by foul smell? Bad smell. It starts giving bad smell, and all the harmful bacteria will be there in your mouth. So it is necessary to brush your teeth properly, and we should take care of the teeth properly. So, hope children you have understood the importance of teeth, and you will take care of your teeth, because permanent teeth, once if they fall, they will not come back again. So you will brush your teeth properly and take care of them. Thank you children.